Got a FAF replay from a Supreme Commander match and want to watch it? This is the replay format used by the Forged Alliance FAForever community client. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to load and watch these FAF replay files. From my years in support, there is an advanced proprietary solution I use when all other methods fail to open an FAF file. Here's a sneak peek. A game replay file generated by Forged Alliance FAForever, FAF. A community-driven client for the real-time strategy game Supreme Commander, Forged Alliance. Players save FAF files to watch their past matches, analyze strategies, or share epic battles with the community, making it a core part of the competitive scene. This file is not a video, but a lightweight data log of player inputs, commands, and timestamps. The game engine resimulates the match by replaying these commands in sequence. This design is extremely efficient for storage and sharing, as replay files are typically only a few kilobytes in size. Forged Alliance FAForever from FAForever community should be your first choice when attempting to open FAF. Windows will not display the file's internal directory without a specific utility. Windows cannot interpret audio, texture, or mesh resources inside game containers, so special tools must be used. The first step is testing the ecosystem. Right-click your FAF file and click Open With. If Forged Alliance FAForever is available, start with that. If not, don't hesitate to test every other option in the list. If your FAF file is not opening yet, that is normal. Dealing with a truly persistent FAF file? Let's execute these quick diagnostic tests on the most likely points of failure. First, opening an FAF client. Install the Forged Alliance FAForever client from the official website and ensure Supreme Commander Forged Alliance is installed. Launch the FAF client and use the Vault or Replace section to load FAF files. Double-click a replay to watch with full match playback controls including speed and camera options. Next, streaming live replays. The FAF client supports live replay streaming during matches, as well as playback of completed games from the replay vault. Browse the public replay archive within the client to find and watch matches from other players, or save your own match replays for later analysis and review. Finally, sharing replay files. FAF replay files can be shared with other Forged Alliance FAForever players via direct file transfer or through the FAF community forums. Recipients load the replay through their FAF client to watch the match. Replays serve as valuable strategy learning tools for the competitive Supreme Commander community. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.